Right, so it's January the 1st. This is the latest update on the kitchen progress. Windows are in, all fixed and partially sealed. So this is where the hob's going to go. Yeah. The rest of it's going to be one level all the way along there. But I need some more board. I only bought one sheet. I thought one sheet would be enough, but it's not. So I've got to go and get another sheet. Then I can decide where we're going to put the sink and the hob. Well, the hob is going to go central to this window. So when she's cooking, she can have the window open if it's not raining. And she can decide whether she wants to sink here or sink there. Makes little difference really, but I think a sink here would be nice. So next to the window. So I need to go to Global House and get some more 8x4 plywood. I'll be back. Right, just got back from Global House. Got this sheet from their 375 baht. I don't think it's as good quality as this one, which I got from Korat. This one was 385 baht. But it'll do the job. So I've just marked 600 from here to here. I'm going to cut it down there and then measure the worktop and then cut it to suit. Right, I'll put you on time lapse. Because the worktop is only 50 millimeters thick, the reinforcement is really important. I use steel reinforcement to help prevent cracking and add strength, keeping it lifted slightly so it sits inside the concrete and not right at the bottom. This is one of those things you don't see once it's finished, but it probably matters more than anything else. The reinforcing goes around the hole for the sink and around the hole for the hob, and it is all tied into the walls. I'm not a professional, it's very much a DIY job, but I'm learning as I go, and hopefully this will work. Right, all the concrete is in. I had to make 2 mixes, and I've just got that little bit to spare, so not bad judgment. Right, so I'll let that go off a little bit before I float it off, but that's all the hard work done. Right, I will see you in about an hour. Well, been about an hour. You can see the little bubbles coming up where I tapped underneath. Because it's still a little bit dry, I mean wet. So let's give it a try it with a trowel, see how it goes. See, it's still a bit wet, but I'll float it off like this and then come back in maybe another hour. So this end's drying off quite nicely because this one has been in the sun a lot more, so that's almost ready. This one's still a bit wet, so I've got to leave that another hour. Let it dry off a little bit more and I can just finish it off. Almost done. Well, that brings us to the end of this video, our concrete worktop on phase 3. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click a like, and if you have any comments, would like to know any information, just leave a comment and I will get back to you. So I will see you on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.